Hello everyone. Today let's learn the techniques to make the perfect strawberry jam. Have you ever wondered what makes the jam set? Yes, sugar does play a role in gelling the jam, but no, it's not just the sugar, it's pectin. Pectin is a starch found in fruits and vegetables, but strawberries are very low on pectin. Try to get at least half of your strawberries slightly underripe because the amount of pectin reduces further when these berries ripen well. It is very important to measure the weight so we can have the rest of the ingredients at the right quantity too. I've taken 900 grams of strawberries. I've washed and taken the stems of the strawberries. These are pretty big sized, so I'm cutting them horizontally into two. Now I'll put them into my chopper and chop them really small. Chopping them small will cut down the cooking time and preserve the color and flavor of the strawberries. Let's measure the sugar now. I'm taking 450 grams of sugar. The weight of the sugar is always half the weight of the strawberries. Now let's mix sugar and strawberries together. And we need to rest this for half an hour. Please do not skip the step. It's just like how we marinate the meat before cooking. Yes, it is a real thing. Marinating fruits. Well, marinating fruits in sugar or alcohol is called macerating. Sugar will draw moisture out of the berries and then sugar starts melting. Macerating is an important step to soften the fruit and improve its flavor. As strawberries are low in pectin, we need to add some pectin-rich fruits to this. Lemon is rich in pectin. Lemon peel has more pectin than the juice. The small amount of lemon zest will do great in gelling the jelly. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to this. Lemon juice is also important to avoid crystallization of sugar in the jam. Now the zest. We leave it to rest for half an hour. Now we'll add this to a heavy bottom pan. When it boils, it'll start bubbling up and create a layer of foam on top. If you don't remove this foam, it'll settle at the top of your jar. And if you're planning to store this for a while, then these small air bubbles will make your jam moldy. So it's very important that you remove all the foam. The jam has started to thicken. Now I'm adding some rose water. This will give an extra boost to the flavor. Now I'll show you how to check if the jam is ready. Just pour a little jam to a glass of water. If you see it spreading like this, then the jam is not ready yet. Let's cook it for some more time. Just try running the spoon across the pan like this. If the jam is taking a second to join back, then you're almost there. Now we will try dropping it in water again. Perfect. See how it goes and settles down at the bottom like a jelly. Time to take it off the heat. I'm pouring this into a glass jar. I will come back to it once it cools down. The jam is well set. Let's look at the consistency now. Not too thick, not too thin. Look how beautiful and perfect it is. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more videos.